You know, they go school well, and then after they graduate, they can't find jobs. You know, and now some are even thinking of just leaving school totally and start doing business or something. I don't know, even Yahoo boys or maybe something small like that. But they're also saying, even though you work hard, you learn hard, after school with your certificate, you don't reach far.
You see?
It's either you get links plus links, and then you put your certificate with it. Certificate alone won't get you any job in Africa. What is your opinion,
Let
sir?
me tell you something.
Please tell me.
It depends on where you are. Like this part of the world where we are, you cannot tell me that education is not important. No. If you don't have education, no certificate to prove yourself, you cannot get a job here. Or I mean, you can get a job, but you cannot get a very good job like they are expected to get there. But if it's in some places,
I know I don't want to say the name.
You already know where
I know where you are trying to go. Just
if it's some country, if you like have 20 certificates. If you don't know somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody
with a certificate,
you will never get that job. You need link. Without link, you cannot be linked up.
I see now you throwing bars. Uncle be throwing bars.
This is the thing. So, but the thing is that education is very important. So even with your link, if you are not careful, you will disgrace yourself when you get a job. Because why? You don't have sense. There is no knowledge, no education. So that's why I am saying both of them are important. So sometimes people are saying education is not good, it's not good. Do you know that I have a friend that was not educated because he thought link can take him anywhere? He actually committed a bailable offense. Bailable offense. For example, maybe they catch you with weed. You can bail yourself and explain why you were carrying weed, and you will be bailed. That was what he committed. He went to this station because he was not educated, because he said education is not okay. It's not good. He did not go to school. He went to go and be copying somebody that did a murder case. Somebody with murder case, he was copying that person's statement. As I speak to you right now, the idiot is in prison. He is serving about 20 years imprisonment.
You don't have links.
Because he was copying for link. He did not go to school. So both of them are important. Link is good, education is also good. Okay. But if you ask me, if it is here where we live in Europe, with that certificate you are going nowhere. But if it is in somewhere,
let's say for somewhere, let's say in somewhere,
education is good, but link is better.
Let's say in somewhere. How do you build links in somewhere? The country so-called somewhere.
How do you build links? How can you build links in somewhere? You need to
Africa, so that everybody knows. Africa.
When you are telling me to tell you how you can, you know I am not really into African stuff. If you are asking me about Oxford, I can teach you. I can explain it. But anyway, since you are taking us there, it's okay.
How do you build links like for someone like you to enter Oxford University?
If you need link, depends on where you want to be linked to. If you want to be linked to the office
today, Uncle, you're really rapping on.
You need to know the right channel to do that. We call them a shop log. You have to have shop log. Your shop log will not link you up to the place that you will be linked in. Oh God!
See, be like you got experience in this.
Do you need link?
Uncle, not for the camera.
Okay,
behind the camera, but you know where I say I need link for.
I have some link that I can link you up with. But anyways, like I'm saying, for jokes apart, link is not bad. Education is very, very good. At least have your education first, and then you look for the link later. If you don't get the link, you continue searching until you get somewhere with your education. Please, education is not scam. Make sure you acquire knowledge. God bless you.
Uncle with the knowledge.
Yes.